Hello friends, welcome to our channel Silk Zone. Today again I'm back here with our new collection, that is pure Tassar silk sarees. I have shown you this kinds of so many videos in our previous videos, and this is the 6th episode. You have seen these kinds of sarees in our previous episodes, and these are the new collection which have justly launched and I'm showing you here. Before I say anything, I request all you to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon, so as soon as I post the videos you can get the immediate notification and you will be able to see our new collections. These all collections are available in our website. You can directly log on to www.silkzone.in, or you can directly click on the link which is given in the description, which will take you to our collection page. The sarees which I am showing today here are not there in the previous videos. These are the new collection which I am showing here. If you would like to purchase these sarees, you can directly purchase through our website, or if you wanted to visit to our shop, wholesale shop, to purchase these kinds of sarees, if you want to have a look to from your own eyes, then you want to purchase, then it is totally okay friends. If you want to come to our shop, you can directly visit here. The address is first floor 156 Mysore Road, Dhavalgiri Complex, Briand Square, opposite to Central Crime Branch, Church Circle, Antipet, Bangalore 56002. This address you can see here in the screen. And now you are seeing here all the sarees which you are seeing here are all these sarees are having a numbers. Like you can see this in this saree, you are having a 169 number. If you are looking for these kinds of sarees and you are searching in the website and you are searching a lot of time, you are wasting here to get the sarees, and it is very difficult to search the same saree which you are seeing here. So you can directly search these sarees with this number which are given in each and every picture. Just you can see in this picture and all previous pictures and all which previous pictures you will see, all the sarees are having a number. From there directly you can see the numbers, and you can, if you type these numbers in our website, you will be getting the same sarees. As you can see, this saree is having 174 number. All the sarees having a number, and all the sarees are 100% pure Tassar silk sarees. As you can see, this sarees, all the sarees having jari borders in both side of the sarees, and designs you are seeing here are very awesome collection. And as I have told you before also, you will get the silk mark tag with each and every collections of the silk from us. And suppose friends, if you have after purchasing, if you find any kinds of fault or any kinds of damage from us, and if you wanted to return it after some days, definitely you can return it. If you want to exchange it, also you can exchange it. And as the price is also mentioned here, if you would like to purchase these kinds of sarees either through the WhatsApp or either through our website, if you are placing order in the COD, means cash on delivery, you have to pay 4,000. And if you are placing these sarees, if you are placing the order for these kinds of sarees in the POD, means prepaid, then you only have to pay 3,700. You are getting 300 of discount offer in each and every sarees. This 300 will be given per each sarees to the every customers. You can also place order to the number which is given here in the screen. As you can see, 9916448165. This number, from this number you can take a screenshot and you can WhatsApp us on this number and chat, and you can also chat us in that number, and you can directly purchase there also. All the sarees are very beautiful, very pretty and very awesome collections. And this is the 6th episode. As I have told you before also, again I am telling you, this is the 6th episode. And again every day you will be giving a new collections from us. And as soon as possible, we will show you some of our new branded collection, that is painting collection. In some other videos I have shown you some kalamkari design, and soon we are just working on a design that is painting designs, hand painting designs on the Tassar silk sarees, and very soon we are going to launch this video. So I request all you to watch our whole the video and watch the videos till its end, and try to keep watching our everyday videos. So as soon as we launch all our new collection, you will be able to see these all videos, all our new collections. And if you have no time to see these videos, then directly log on to www.silkzone.in. You can see all our collection there. All the collections are available in our website as well as in our stock. And I have told you all that if you would like to purchase these sarees in our shop, wholesale shop, you can come to Bangalore. Address I have already told you before. You can just go through that, and if you want to come, you can come to us. And if you wanted to come, if you want me to share your location, please chat me in the WhatsApp. I will definitely reply you there, and you will be able to come to our shop. All the sarees which you are seeing here are block print sarees, printed sarees of Tasar silk sarees. Tasar silks are world famous sarees, just world famous sarees, because the quality of the sarees is very nice and very awesome. And this collection, the saree is very famous in all over the world just because it is skin friendly. And one more thing I would like to say you friends, that the price may be differ from the time to time, because the Tasars are as similar to the gold. As the prices of the gold increases and decreases, at the same thing the Tasar threads used to be decreasing and increasing, because the quality is very high. It is compared to the gold's prices, because sometimes the prices increases, sometimes the prices decreases. Though our prices are depend on how the prices are there in the market. So the prices may be different after some time, after some year, but I'll tell you one thing, the price will be same till for the 2 months. For the 2 months the price will be same. After some days, after some months, or after some year, the prices may increase or prices may decrease, because it's depend all upon the thread. The thread is similar as the gold, because the gold price, sometimes you have seen that the prices increases and the prices decreases. The quality of the Tasar is similar as the gold's. And you can see our collection, the collections which I am showing here are very awesome and very beautiful. All the collections with us are very awesome collections, and these collections are very pretty and lovely. Once you wear these sarees, you will feel very different, and you are going to look very awesome, very prettiest one in each and every sarees. And one more thing, all the saree is having blouse with this, and with the matching to the pallu. Pallu is also having a golden silver linings in pallus, and even the golden silver linings are made in both sides of the sarees. And as told you, all the designs number are there, you can place order through there. And thank you so much for giving me precious time to watch my videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye, have a good day. Again, thank you so much.